The forests of North America also hold a diversity of deadly wildlife. Animals that have survived for millions of years. And they no longer live in seclusion. A silent hunter prowls the invisible boundary between its mountain hideaway and the suburban asphalt, looking for his usual prey, deer. Then suddenly, a jogger enters its field of vision. A primal impulse triggers, and the predator explodes into action. This cat goes by many names, including puma, catamount, mountain lion, and cougar. It's one of nature's most perfectly engineered predators. Adult male cougars can measure 2.5 meters and weigh up to 80 kilograms. And the vast majority of the big cat's body is muscle. With its light but strong skeleton, flexible backbone, and long muscular rear legs, the cougar is one of the fastest land animals in the United States. When it's ready to feed, the nimble cat can reach speeds of 100 kilometers per hour, maintaining traction with its pivoting front legs and rudder-like tail. But it can also conquer the most rugged terrain with staggering leaps and bounds. Cougars are ambush hunters. They patiently stalk their prey and then attack. Deer are the primary staple of their diet. But over the past century, hunting and habitat destruction have reduced the cougar's range, increasing the number of human encounters to between 6 and 10 a year. But even so, deaths are rare. There have been just 17 fatalities since 1890. In the 17th century, cougars had one of the most extensive distributions of all North American terrestrial mammals. They ranged from southern Argentina to Chile, coast to coast in the continental United States, and throughout southeastern Alaska. Today in North America, the elusive cat's reach covers only from British Columbia, south to Mexico, and west to Texas. And what was once cougar territory is now often someone's backyard. But another, much smaller predator also lives in the forest, lying perfectly still and waiting.